Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to install PfSense. Before that, I'm gonna remove the old one. Okay, remove it with all the files and settings. Create new. Write the name of machine. PfSense. Select the type where the machine goes. It's going to MNT store and Virtualbox directory. Okay, this operating system is BSD and 64-bit. Next, assigning some RAM. It should be something like 4 GB. Okay, next, create a virtual hard disk. VDI Virtualbox disk image, good for us. Dynamically allocated disk, 16 GB is more than enough for test purpose. Okay, going to setting, click this or click this same thing. Going to network. I got a laptop with two network cards, one is wireless and the other one is wired one. It is selection for me is bridged adapter. It is the wired one, and the other LAN card I'm gonna enable it. It is also in bridge mode and it should be something like this is my wireless LAN card. Okay, next. Okay, these are two enough for now. I'm gonna start the machine, and the machine started another screen, so I will drag it here. I will select the ISO for that, click add. There is the directory where I have stored all my ISOs files. Here is the one here, 2.4.5, something like that. I don't know if this is the latest one. Click open and select the choose button, select that and start. The machine should start now. Let me see that streaming is going on. I'm not expert in this, new in this world. Some of my friends told me to create one tutorial for me. I'm not expert in these things, but I'm trying my level best that all the actions will be in front of you guys, so you can just do the same steps and I believe your PfSense will be installed. That's very basic thing. Click accept, install PfSense, yes, why not. Continue with default key map, yes. Guide is this setup, yeah. Automatically it will create a partition on my disk. Okay, if someone wanna go with manual partition, so there is an option, you can go and you can do the manual partitions also. I don't know how to pause the video in OBS. I'm using OBS for recording this video. I'm sleepy. 2:30 AM at this time. Okay, installation is now finished. System make any final manual modification? No. Okay, it's gonna reboot. Click. I believe that was the issue. Okay. Subhanallah. In Virtualbox, if your mouse is stuck somewhere you cannot see, so you have to click the control button and you will be able to see the mouse. What is this? I'm going to restart the machine, because maybe the CD was there, the image was there already inserted and it went for that. Okay, let's Now it is booting from the installed one. DNS resolver. I'm not sure about my audio if this is recording. Okay. Okay. EM0 is just configured automatically something like a WAN side, and EM1 is configured like a LAN side. 111 is the LAN IP and 10.1 the. Okay. So in case I'm going to assign manual IP for the WAN side, okay, so there is an option. I will go inside the machine, click there, and the option is assign interfaces. Already assigned the interface, and then the next set the IP address for that. So 133, I'm going to give this IP manually. I will select the option 2 because the 2 says interface IP address. Click enter. Which interface you wish to configure? So I want to configure the WAN side, which is number 1. I will click on 1, click OK. Configure via DHCP. No, I don't want to configure DHCP. With DHCP, enter the WAN IP address and press enter. 192.168.10.133. I want to assign this IP. Okay, and the subnet is 24. Okay, 24. So for LAN address enter. Okay, for LAN I will press enter. Configure IPv6. No. Okay, enter the no. Or press enter. Okay. Do you want to revert to HTTP, the configure protocols? Yes. Okay. Press. Okay, your WAN IP is that. Okay, now my LAN IP is 11. In case I want to access that 11, so my own, I will click on control. Okay, we'll open a terminal. What is my IP here? If config this, I will try to change this IP to 11 range to access that machine. Okay, if config this interface, I have to go for sudo and interface this 192.168. This is my local machine because I want to access that machine which is recently installed. 1.22. Okay, my password ping to 168.1.1. so I can ping that machine right now. I will try to access that machine via browser. Okay, 192.168.1.1 is that machine. I can access that. The default login is admin and the password is PfSense, I believe. Admin, PfSense or SE. Admin is big written in my front and a logo. PF. I'm doing it, man. No, don't do that. Okay. Next. And again next. Any name you wanna test firewall or whatever you want. Local what domain I will write something like zoofabro.com. Primary DNS server 192.168.10.1. Secondary is so I will write something like Google override. Yes, you can. Okay, here is my time, which is +3 from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Allah yahfaz. Next. Okay, here is WAN interface already configured, no need. By the way, I can assign a gateway for that, 192.168.10.1. Okay, next. And this is my LAN IP. In case you want to change the LAN IP to something else, you can do that. No need for now. Admin password was, I will make it something like 1234 or something like that. Okay. Okay, reload. Reload is in progress. So finish. And I believe the PfSense is installed now. If you want to go to the main page, you click on this logo or any menu you want. The machine is in progress. Let him finish all these things. One. Maybe rebooting. Let me see the machine. Yeah, it is. Accepted. Close. Okay, there is some warning. No problem with that. Obey the rules. Okay, want to add something? Yes, system information is already here. You can add in case you have open VPN or you have some other service, firewall logs. And interfaces. Oh, sorry, it's already here. Anyway, if you want to install some packages, you can system package manager, available packages is here. They are here. Install something. All the packages, some packages, nicely written firewall. This is the fantastic thing for firewall, especially for geolocation, which how to block different countries, how to allow them. This is one of the fantastic firewall. It supports multiple VPN services and capture portal and a lot more. Dynamic DNS is a bunches of providers that support. In case you want to go to add some dynamic DNS, it will give you, look, these options. No router support like this much, maybe some, but this is also one of them which support a lot of providers. So I believe till now it is enough. Your PfSense running. You have all LAN and WAN here. If you want to configure them manually from this interface, you can do that. Here you have the routing, your gateways here, which we configured there. So for now,